Okay, I got my desk from the art class at school, and it's got these two little sections that pull out for a little extra workspace. That can pull out a little further, except of course clutter's in the way. They don't slide out really easy, probably because all that paint on them. And I didn't know, this is the front. It doesn't have all the floral on it, but the top does. I may get some bar top or something put on it because I want to protect that. I like that. And that's the end of it. And then the back of the desk, you know, looks like top pretty much. But the only thing is, the plan I had of putting it here, the pretty back won't show. Just colored drawers pretty much in the top. Of course, I'll have top cluttered, you know how I am. So I always see colorful drawers. So I may come up with a different idea. I don't know. But ain't that cute and so colorful? But I'll have to hide all the pretty side. I mean, the front's pretty, but not with all the flowers. So I'll have to figure something out. I don't have that much space in here. But I don't know. What do y'all think? Y'all think it's pretty too? I like it. And I've got a little clip I want to show you of something I saw in nature on the way to my she shop. So stay tuned for that short clip. Bye. And on my way to my building, why do these things have to get so huge and ugly? Look how big. Anyway.